Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to recover permanently deleted text SMS on your Android device, then what you can do is just follow some steps that I'll show you. So now what I'll show you is to simply open up my Messenger application, and then you can see every single messages have been deleted. So now to restore them, what you can do is just simply close this application and then open up your Play Store, and in search bar you can search for SMS backup and restore. After searching for SMS backup and restore, you will find this application. What you can do is just simply install it. So I have already installed this application in my device. If you haven't, then you just have to install this application, and after doing that, what you can do is just simply open this application. And after opening up your application, just tap on get started, which is on the bottom, and then allow every single permission. And after doing that, here you can see the messages and the call logs that you have deleted and not back up yet. So if you want to back up those, what you can do is just simply tap on set a backup, and after tapping on set a backup, now what you can do is you can restore your messages or your call logs. So if you don't want to restore your call logs, just turn that option on and then only restore your messages. So after selecting messages, just tap on next, which is on the bottom right. After doing that, now you can select where would you like to store your messages. So in your Google Drive, or in your Dropbox, in your OneDrive, or in your device. So I'll just select my device and then give it a file location. So what I'll do is just create a new file location for it. So from here, what you can do is just simply tap on this plus icon, and after tapping on that plus icon, now what I'll do is I'll name this file as restore, and then tap on OK. After doing that, now what I'll do is just tap on use this folder and then allow, and after tapping on allow, just tap on OK and then tap on next, which is on the bottom right. Just tap on do not recommend me again and then tap on next, reoccurring backup. So what you can do is just make it hourly. You can also make it daily or weekly. So what I'll do is just do it hourly, and if you tap on change, you can set it every single hour. So what you can do is just tap on 1 hour. After doing that, now what you can do is just tap on backup now. After tapping on backup now, your messages have been backed up. So what you can do is just view all the details from this application if you want. So just tap on view details, and now here you can see you have just backed up this information. Now if you just tap on that, you can find every single information. So here you can see this is my SIM company, and they have sent me the following messages. So you can check those from your SIM company. You can also check the verification codes. So here you can see the messages from my Google. So these are all the messages from my Google. Also from my Snapchat, here you can see I have recovered every single information and I can access my information. So if you just go back and open up your files, and after opening up your files, just tap on internal storage and then open up the file that you have just created. So we have just named that file as restored, right? So just tap on it. So here you can see the restored file. So what you can do is just tap on it and then open it with some application if you like. So we only have access to this SMS backup, so we can only access all the SMS through this application. So you can only access your messages through this application. So you can't access from your messages, but you can always access your information from this application. So to access those, you just have to tap on view details, and after tapping on view details, you can access every single information from here. So that's it guys, this is how to recover permanently deleted text SMS on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.